Hi and welcome to my channel. In a previous video we have saved the configuration to a file. In this video we will load the configuration from that file. And we do as follows. So first we need to know what is the name of that file. So we go to expert mode and ls. We can see that this is our file that we created in a previous video. So now we can exit from expert mode and use the very easy load configuration and copy and paste that file. Press enter here. So here we can see this error, could not execute all commands. So here we need a command that will enable the configuration file to be processed continuously. So the command is set client b on failure continue. So now we can run the command again and see what happens. So the command will enables the configuration file to be read continuously until all data is processed. Without the command, you may face errors that out of sequence lines containing multiple spaces or tabs between parameters and similar issues. So here, as we can see, it's running smoothly. Okay, so now it's done. So back to that command. So the set client v, this sets a client environment variable. So client environment variables control various aspects of the CLI behavior. On failure, this specifies what action to take when a failure is encountered. So when it encounters a space or a tab, what should it do? As we did, it will continue. And the continue, this means that the CLI should continue processing subsequent commands even if the previous command fails. But now we need, when we are done with the file configuration loading, so we need to turn off that command. So continue, make it stop now. And we save the configuration. So save config. So that was for this video. So thank you for watching and see you next time.